What's up guys, it's Jordan here. I'm a former competitive bodybuilder turned into foodie and traveler who loves to share all of that with you. I'm going to continue talking about some of the fundamentals of Japanese cooking today with a bar food staple, an izakaya food staple, something you're going to go out, you're going to order, you're going to have a bunch of small plates and you dive in. It's really easy to find here in the States too. It's at almost every Japanese restaurant there is. It's called chicken kaarage. And kaarage is actually like a technique of frying, not just specifically chicken. Differing very heavily from tempura, which is obviously the very famous style of Japanese frying. This is going to be a marinated chicken. We're using thighs again because, like I said last time, chicken breasts are shit. So we're going to marinate some chicken thighs. You could use legs too, in this really amazing combination of all the staple Japanese ingredients: mirin, soy, sake, ginger, garlic. We're going to let that sit. We're going to cover that in some potato starch and then we're going to fry it, and it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to share it all with you. Let's get into it.
So we're going to get our chicken prep now. We're going to take about a pound of chicken thighs and cut that into bite-sized pieces. You don't need to be too picky here, just something you can get comfortably in one bite. Scoop that off to the side where we're going to start our marinade. And we're going to grate in 2 cloves of garlic, about 4 teaspoons of ginger, and then add a 1/4 cup sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and then a pinch of MSG. Stir that all up, get it sealed, and then throw that in the fridge for at least half an hour, preferably overnight. After the overnight, we're gonna get our potato starch ready. Grab that stuff out of the fridge, realize you didn't spread that out enough, and then start dunking the chicken into the potato starch. This process is super easy. You just wanna get a even coating across all the chicken, and take that piece, dust off any excess, and then put it over into your done pile. You just repeat that with the rest of your chicken. Get everything coated nice and evenly, no wet spots. It should look like that. And then, before I forget, cut up a lemon. Get a few quarters there. Then add a few inches of fry oil, preferably canola or peanut oil, to a Dutch oven over medium heat. Once you're at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna start throwing our chicken in there to fry for about 5 minutes until it is beautifully golden brown and looks something like this. Then you're gonna try and spider these out and realize you have 0 potential for spidering this out, and you're gonna get one out. Hey, nice job. And then use chopsticks to remove the rest of your chicken. Immediately after removing onto a paper towel lined baking rack, you're gonna cover that with some flaky salt. It'll only adhere to the chicken if the chicken's still hot, so make sure you do this immediately after pulling it out of the oil. And then all that's left to do is plate it up with a lemon, and you are ready to enjoy some delicious Japanese fried chicken.
And there you have it guys, that's how you make chicken kaarage. This is it's an izakaya staple like we talked about. It is so freaking good. You get that marinated chicken, you get that nice crunch, and then it's a really rich chicken in the way that it's like marinated and the flavors that come through. So the way they cut that, you squeeze some fresh lemon over the top of your chicken, and then we'll see how crispy this still is. The lemon cuts through the umami of the chicken so well. It's been sitting in soy sauce, MSG, mirin, like all these umami bomb components with the fried chicken, the crunch. That potato starch skin is insane. It's so crunchy. It's a tiny flavor difference, but you can tell when something's been fried in potato starch versus cornstarch. I think I prefer potato starch exponentially. Yeah, this shit is so good. Super easy to make. Don't be afraid to fry at home. And I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe. I can't wait to keep sharing more Japanese fundamentals with you in the kitchen. Till next time.